1, 1972, Dodge Dart Pro Street. Price, $40,000, located, Statesville, North Carolina. This 1972 Dodge Dart Pro Street is a well-built Mopar muscle car that perfectly captures the aggressive appearance of classic Pro Street culture while remaining comfortable enough for regular street driving. The vehicle has 999,999 miles, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and is finished in powder white diamond pearl with a distinctive black tail stripe and black interior. Under the hood is a powerful 451 cubic inch Mopar stroker V8 built from a 400 cubic inch block and equipped with Indy aluminum cylinder heads, an Indy aluminum intake manifold, a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, and MSD ignition. Power is delivered through a dependable TorqueFlite 727 automatic transmission that offers reliable street performance. The exterior maintains the factory Mopar body lines while adding weld racing wheels wrapped in wide Mickey Thompson rear tires that create an unmistakable Pro Street stance. Inside, the cabin features Corbeau racing bucket seats, racing harnesses, a full roll cage, and a turbo-action Cheetah SCS floor shifter. A custom 4-muffler exhaust system produces a deep big block sound without excessive interior noise, making long cruises more enjoyable. According to the seller, the Dart runs and drives well while offering the appearance of a dedicated drag car without sacrificing street usability, making it an excellent choice for local cruise nights, weekend events, or expanding a classic Mopar collection. 2, 1991, Geostorm Pro Street. Price, $48,000, located, Owasso, Michigan. This 1991 Geostorm Pro Street is a rare custom build that transforms the lightweight compact coupe into a serious high-performance machine. The vehicle has approximately 900 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in an attractive green exterior complemented by a brown interior. According to the seller, this one-owner vehicle has been carefully maintained and remains fully paid off. Built in true Pro Street fashion, the car combines unique styling with extensive performance modifications that make it stand apart from ordinary Geostorm models. Its lightweight platform provides an excellent foundation for high-performance driving while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of a professionally customized street machine. The aggressive stance and custom construction make this vehicle equally suitable for local car shows, cruise nights, and performance events where uncommon builds receive plenty of attention. The seller identifies the vehicle as a Pro Street project that reflects significant craftsmanship and investment throughout the build. Opportunities to own a customized Geostorm of this quality are exceptionally uncommon, making this an appealing choice for collectors seeking something truly different from traditional American muscle cars while still enjoying the unmistakable character of a purpose-built performance vehicle. 3, 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Price, $25,000, located, Laurinburg, North Carolina. This 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS has been professionally transformed into an exceptionally lightweight drag racing machine designed for serious competition. The vehicle has approximately 3,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in black with a matching black interior. Weighing only around 2,200 pounds, the car features a professionally built race chassis with front struts and rear coil-over suspension for excellent weight transfer during hard launches. Lightweight fiberglass components include the complete front end, both doors, trunk lid, and rear bumper, while Lexan windows further reduce weight. Power comes from a blueprint-built 406 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine paired with a dependable Powerglide transmission featuring a 1.76 low gear and a TCI 5000 stall converter. The rear axle is a reinforced 12-bolt assembly equipped with a spool and aggressive 5.14 gears. Additional equipment includes Wilwood front disc brakes, dual batteries, fuel cell, anti-roll bar, funny car cage, and a new Denver Lightning delay box still in the original packaging. This Chevelle offers an outstanding combination of lightweight construction, proven race components, and excellent value for competitive drag racing enthusiasts. 4, 1979 Chevrolet Corvette. Price, $25,000, located, Wayne, Michigan. This 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Pro Street is a classic American sports car that has been upgraded with serious performance components while maintaining its unmistakable C3 styling. Listed in good condition, the vehicle is powered by a massive 427 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a durable turbo 400 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is completed by a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with 4.11 gears, providing dependable strength and excellent acceleration for spirited street driving or occasional drag strip use. According to the seller, the Corvette runs exceptionally well and delivers strong overall performance, making it an enjoyable vehicle for enthusiasts who appreciate classic American horsepower. Although the advertisement notes that there are many additional upgrades beyond those listed, the available information already highlights a combination capable of handling substantial power. The aggressive Pro Street appearance, powerful big block engine, and proven rear axle combination make this Corvette an attractive option for collectors seeking a unique custom build. It offers a balance of classic styling, reliable mechanical components, and outstanding street presence wherever it is driven or displayed. 5. 1969 Chevrolet C10 Pro Street Truck. Price, $24,500, located, Dunn, North Carolina. This 1969 Chevrolet C10 Pro Street Truck is a professionally customized pickup that combines classic Chevrolet styling with modern performance upgrades and impressive street presence. Listed in like-new condition, the truck has recently received a professionally rebuilt engine that has not yet been registered for regular road use since completion. The drivetrain includes a dependable turbo 350 automatic transmission designed to provide smooth operation and reliable performance. A fully tubbed rear section accommodates massive 31 by 16.5 by 15 rear tires that give the truck its unmistakable pro street stance while improving traction. According to the seller, the engine was specifically built for enjoyable street driving and local car shows rather than dedicated racing, making it a comfortable and practical custom vehicle. The truck is affectionately known as Peaches and continues to attract attention with its clean appearance and classic body lines. A brand new set of tires is also available with the sale if desired. While the seller notes that buyers may choose to add their own finishing touches, the truck already represents an outstanding custom build that is ready to be enjoyed at cruise nights, weekend events, and classic truck gatherings. 6. 1959 DeSoto Pro Street. Price, $12,000, located, Cassar, North Carolina. This 1959 DeSoto Pro Street is an exciting custom project that offers an excellent opportunity to build a unique classic street machine or dedicated drag car. Listed in good condition, the vehicle has already progressed well through the restoration and modification process, providing a strong foundation for the next owner. According to the seller, the body is very solid, and the undercarriage has already been completed to a high standard, eliminating much of the difficult structural work associated with vintage projects. The chassis features a ladder bar rear suspension, a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle, coilover shocks, and rear disc brakes, creating a durable setup capable of handling significant horsepower. A 413 cubic inch engine and transmission are currently installed, although the seller notes that their condition and specifications are unknown. The original glass is included and remains in usable condition, allowing the project to retain much of its classic character. Whether completed as a pro street cruiser or transformed into a competitive drag racing vehicle, this rare 1959 DeSoto provides an outstanding platform with tremendous customization potential and unmistakable vintage styling. 7. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street. Price, $19,500, located, Groveport, Ohio. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street is an unfinished project that provides an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a professionally upgraded first-generation Camaro. The vehicle carries an Ohio title and features solid floors and rockers, giving the next owner an excellent structural foundation for completing the build. According to the seller, nearly all of the mechanical components are brand new. Power comes from a freshly assembled 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine rated at approximately 370 horsepower and designed to operate on pump gasoline, although the engine has not yet been started. The drivetrain includes a B&M Street Strip Turbo 350 automatic transmission paired with a 3000 stall torque converter and a B&M Pro Stick shifter. Rear suspension upgrades include a Ford Explorer 8.8-inch Posey rear axle with 3.73 gears, competition engineering ladder bars, and competition engineering coilover shocks. Additional features include 4-wheel disc brakes, a 10-point roll cage, a heavy-duty front sway bar, and a 15-gallon JAZ fuel cell with sender. Numerous additional new and used parts are included, making this Camaro an exceptional project with substantial progress already completed. 8. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Drag Racing Car. Price, $69,000, located, Fayetteville, North Carolina. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro drag racing car is a professionally prepared competition vehicle offered together with a matching trailer, creating a complete package for racers seeking immediate track readiness. Listed in like new condition, the Camaro is finished in a striking dark green exterior accented by classic racing stripes that highlight its aggressive appearance. According to the seller, the vehicle is powered by a Pat Musi racing engine, a name widely recognized for producing high-performance drag racing power plants capable of outstanding reliability and impressive horsepower. Built specifically for competitive use, this Camaro combines the timeless styling of the iconic first-generation body with serious race-oriented engineering. The included trailer provides convenient transportation to racing events while protecting the vehicle during travel. Although the seller keeps the listing brief, the combination of a Pat Musi engine, professional race preparation, and trailer package makes this Camaro highly desirable for experienced racers and collectors alike. It represents an excellent opportunity to purchase a turnkey drag racing package capable of attracting attention both in the staging lanes and at performance events throughout the racing season. 9. 2001 Chevrolet S10 Short Bed. Price, $70,000, located, Alma, Georgia. This 2001 Chevrolet S10 Short Bed is a professionally built competition truck designed for serious pulling events and outstanding performance. The vehicle has approximately 1,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and features a highly developed racing drivetrain assembled with premium components throughout. Power comes from an Allen Johnson 540 cubic inch engine equipped with a massive 1471 Kobelco supercharger, delivering exceptional horsepower for competitive use. Supporting upgrades include Dan Olson headers, a Crower clutch, and a durable 3-speed Profab transmission built to withstand extreme power levels. The seller states that the SFI-certified bell housing remains approved through the end of 2028, while RacePack data acquisition equipment allows detailed performance monitoring during competition. The truck also includes 2 sets of Dick Cepek Giant Polar tires, an additional brand new set of rear wheels for larger tires, and only 8 passes on the freshly rebuilt engine. According to the seller, the truck has been meticulously maintained, remains a proven winner, and is fully prepared for immediate competition. This Chevrolet S10 represents a premium race-ready package built with top-quality components and professional attention to detail. 10. 1989 Ford Mustang Coupe. Price, $90,000, located, Leesburg, Georgia. This 1989 Ford Mustang Coupe is a professionally built pro-street machine designed for enthusiasts seeking exceptional performance and custom craftsmanship. The vehicle has approximately 300 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in an eye-catching purple exterior that immediately stands out at shows and racing events. According to the seller, the Mustang has been carefully assembled as a complete pro-street build with an extensive list of performance components and custom modifications. The low mileage reflects the limited use of the vehicle since completion, making it an appealing choice for collectors and racers alike. Built with a focus on both appearance and performance, this Fox body Mustang combines aggressive styling with a purpose-built chassis capable of handling substantial horsepower. The seller encourages serious buyers to review the detailed equipment list available with the vehicle for complete specifications. Its professionally finished exterior, carefully prepared mechanical package, and unmistakable pro-street stance make it equally suited for weekend cruise nights, automotive exhibitions, or competitive events. This Mustang represents an outstanding opportunity to own a highly customized Fox body that delivers impressive visual appeal while showcasing the craftsmanship expected from a professionally built performance car. 11. 1987 Chevrolet Caprice LS Sedan 4D. Price, $19,500, located, Opelika, Alabama. This 1987 Chevrolet Caprice LS Sedan 4D is a classic full-size American sedan that has been upgraded with modern performance components while maintaining its comfortable street character. The vehicle has approximately 10,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and is finished in gray with a burgundy interior. According to the seller, the car is powered by a brand new small-block Chevrolet engine paired with a professionally built TH350 automatic transmission, providing dependable performance for everyday driving or weekend cruising. Additional upgrades include a completely new rear axle and new shock absorbers installed at all 4 corners, improving both handling and ride quality. The seller describes the Caprice as a strong running vehicle that is equally enjoyable on the street or at local performance events. The clean body and classic box-style Chevrolet design continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate traditional rear-wheel drive American sedans. The owner is also willing to consider trades for LS-powered streetcars, reflecting the vehicle's appeal among performance enthusiasts. This Caprice offers an excellent combination of reliability, comfort, and upgraded mechanical components at an attractive price point.
12. 1980 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe 2D.
Price, $45,000, located, Ocala, Florida. This 1980 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe 2D is a professionally prepared drag racing machine built for serious quarter-mile competition while still carrying a street title and registration. The vehicle has approximately 300 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in burgundy with a black interior. According to the seller, the car is powered by a fresh 598 cubic inch Dart big block engine featuring an impressive 16:1 compression ratio, big chief cylinder heads, and a tunnel ram intake system. Power is transferred through a proven 2-speed power glide transmission designed to withstand extreme racing conditions. The vehicle has recently received updated certifications valid to 7.50 seconds along with new batteries and fresh racing tires, allowing it to compete immediately. The seller describes the Cutlass as a proven turnkey race car capable of running well below 7 seconds at speeds exceeding 175 miles per hour in the quarter mile. Although the paint is not perfect, it presents exceptionally well at the starting line. This Oldsmobile offers a rare opportunity to own a fully prepared drag car that is equally capable of racing and legally driven on public roads.
13. 1971 Ford Pinto Drag Car.
Price, $25,000, located, Casey, South Carolina. This 1971 Ford Pinto drag car is a professionally built lightweight competition vehicle engineered for consistent bracket racing performance. The vehicle has approximately 800 miles, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and is finished in white with a black interior. According to the seller, the car features a square tube chassis and is powered by a massive 536 cubic inch Ford big block equipped with trick flow cylinder heads, a solid roller camshaft, H-beam connecting rods, RP fasteners, a custom high-performance oil pan, MSD billet distributor, COS oil pump, PowerMaster starter and alternator, and custom-built headers. The drivetrain includes an SFI-certified JW Powerglide transmission that is awaiting installation of a new Pro-Trans brake, while the existing bracket brake remains fully functional. The rear suspension utilizes a Ford 9-inch rear axle with 33 spline axles, a full spool, and massive Hoosier slicks for maximum traction. The seller states the car consistently runs in the 5.80-second range on a foot brake and remains a proven winner. This Pinto represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a lightweight, competitive, and professionally constructed drag racing package.